can just narrate to us the issues commonly faced by working women, and secondly, on parenting stress?
Well, parenting is changing with each changing times, and it has its own challenges. Certainly, with the today's time when both the parents are working, or and we are also, the family size is becoming more nuclear. Pehle dada dadi, everybody used to be there. So if you're busy, somebody else is taking care. There were more capacities of compassion between people, but nobody cares. Yeah, I mean, if you're living in the same house, the person who's living in the next room will be probably some other padosi only with you. I mean, that's the kind of relationship or the distancing that we see in people and the hearts that they carry. So certainly this changing time has made parenting slightly difficult for a number of reasons. One, limited amount of time that we can offer our children, the amount of exposure children have, decreasing support systems that we carry. Also, certainly, parenting calls for a lot of patience. It is something that does demand time. Yeah, no matter, there are no shortcuts for few things in life, but we are not having that at all. And a lot of times the parents or people who become parents, they themselves are not sorted in their own head. So that creates to a lot of issues, I think. So certainly there are concerns that are stemming.